What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing hostile Baba Chops from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. We're going to go all the way around and then back up. Let's line this up all the way over towards the right side and draw that same size circle. And then in the center we'll draw one small black dot for the pupils. Let's line up the eyes along the bottom towards the center. Start with a point. Now I want to draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to curve this down and then bend that all the way up toward the top. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right side. Let's open up the mouth. Starting over on the left on the side, we're going to come all the way down, round out the mouth, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to fold the cheeks around the corner of the mouth. Let's start on the left. We're going to go around. I'm just going to trace the mouth coming down towards the bottom. Go all the way up towards the right. We'll round out the cheek around the corner of the mouth and then bend that back down. Let's draw the front edge of the hair. We're going to start on top of the cheek. We're going to step up, curve this in and then up. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's add a few more curls around the center. Down and up. Now I want to trace the eye along the outside going up underneath the hair. So we're going to start up here, come all the way around like a circle, and then bend that back up toward the top. Do the same thing on the right. Let's fill that area in black, going around the iris and pupil. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Now that we complete the face, let's draw the fur going around the head. We're going to start on top of the cheek with a curve going all the way around, and then bend that in, and line it up on the right side. Now going back to the left side, I'm going to add another curl going around and then in. Now I want to surround the head with a series of curves for the fur going all the way around, and just work our way around towards the bottom of the chin and then up on the right side. Let's tuck the ears in behind. We'll start from here, bend this up and then out. Round out the ear, come down and then in towards the side. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Just going to add a fold, coming in and then down. Let's add the fur across the top in behind the ears. We're going to start up here, going around and then in. We're going to go up higher in the middle and just bring that back down on the right side. Now we're going to drop the head down so that we see the spine across the top. So let's start on the side of the head, bend this first spine going up and then in. Go to the right side and do the same thing, going up and then in. Now we're going to layer the ribs, stepping out, going up and pull that in. Let's add one more curve. From the top, going up and in. Bend this up towards the middle. Round this out and come down towards the right. Bend this out and then pull that back down in behind. Now I want to add a couple bumps along the center. Starting from the bottom, going up and then down. Step up and draw that again. Let's add that bushy tail across the top. Starting on the left, curve this around and in. Just add a series of curves going all the way around and then down towards the right. Now I want to bring that skull underneath the head. Starting on the left, curve this around and then in, leaving a gap in the center. Now I'm gonna add 3 teeth across the bottom. Starting on the left, come down and up with like a half oval. Add 1 in the middle, and then 1 more on the right. Let's add 2 circles on either side for the eyes. And I'll fill the eyes in black. And then moving to the center, we'll draw a small triangle for the nose, and then we'll fill that in. Now let's draw the front legs, and we're going to separate this into 2 parts. Let's start on the left, coming out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bone, coming down and then up towards the outside. Now the bone's going to pull this in and then go straight up underneath the head. So bend that in and go up. Let's add the lower half of the leg. Starting from the inside, start by coming in, out, and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bone, pull that back up on the outside. Let's pull this in, go up, and then bend that back in. Now with the feet, we're going to add 2 large toes. Let's start from the inside, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Round out the foot and go up towards the first claw. Now the claw, we're going to start with the top. We're going to go up, round this out, and come down towards the tip, and curve that back up towards the bottom of the foot. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side, coming down towards the tip of the claw, and then bend that back in. Let's layer the second claw in behind. So starting from the top of this curve, we're going to go up, and then down towards the tip, and then tuck that back in. And then from the top of this claw, we're going to bend the foot, going up and then in behind the leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now with the hind legs, we're going to go all the way up towards the side of the body. So we start up here, start by coming down and out in behind the ear. We'll continue that curve coming down and then out. And we just want to line that up on the right side, going in behind the ear and down towards the same height. Let's round out the base of that bone, go up and then back in behind the ear. Now the lower half of the leg, we're just going to bend this in. So let's start from the inside. We're going to start by coming down and in, just bending that in towards the bottom, going around the head. Let's round out the bone and go up on the outside. Let's bend this back in, go out, and bend that back in. So the bone's a little bit narrower along the center. Let's draw that same shaped foot along the back. We're going to start from the heel, in and then down. And then we'll round out the foot, coming down and up towards that first claw. Let's draw the top of the claw. We're going to go up, and again, bending this down towards the tip, and bend that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's layer that second claw in behind. So starting from the top, going up and then down towards the tip, and tuck that in towards the side. And we'll close off the top of the foot. And then stand our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a drawing of hostile baba chops from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.